If you want to make more money, if you want to be more successful, if you want to get more sales in less time with less effort, you need to be NSO. Next Step Obsessed. Recent data from Gong shows that when next steps are clearly not defined on that first call, sales drop by 71%. By you simply not setting a next step from that phone call, from that meeting, you stand a 71% chance that you're going to lose the deal. Sometimes the best salespeople in the world, they're not the magicians that know exactly what to say, when to say it. They simply follow a process, and they have that process. And anytime they have a phone call or a meeting, they set a crystal clear next step. That's how to close deals. Follow a simple, straightforward process. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. Consider following this channel for more tips on how to be successful in business and life. Set those next steps.